Here is a chart of LITE coin on a daily scale. Data feed I'm using is from Bittrex. I like the Bittrex data feed better. Usually they go back the farthest, which is great. So here is the daily scale we had is whatever this was back in 2015. It just crashed down from God knows where it was, almost 200, 180-ish. And went just completely kaboom to 840s. And it went on this very long, lethargic, time-consuming churning of prices. So the key I think, it really has to do with the early development. We can say this is 1, 2. If we want to count it first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to put it here so I can place it later. 3, 4, 5, 'So it's at a minor scale, degree. So let's go back to the rules of labeling, wave labeling. Wave 1 and 2. 2 cannot equal the bottom of 3 or exceed it. Check. 3 cannot be the shortest amongst the 5. Can I find whether 1 or 2 is shorter than 3? They both are. Check. It's not the shortest. Wave 4. The bottom of wave 4 cannot overlap with the top of wave 1. No problem. Check. Now you might say, well, why not make it here and here? Absolutely. It'll fit. That's technically correct. But I think the form and fit looks better here. Just my preference. Purely simple preference. And also, whether it's 3-4 or 3-4, wave 5 is extended. On a daily scale, I'm seeing wave 5s, very extended. That is the ugliest. Okay, so wave 5 is extended. And after 5 waves, what happens? You have to get a requisite ABC correction. Get rid of this for now. And do we see a ABC correction here? Absolutely. A, B, C. Very sharp, very deep. And look, wave C went to the region of the price of the prior wave 4, right here. And my best entries are not at wave 3 or bottom of 4 or the middle of 5. It's always at the bottom of a C for an ABC correction. Could have been laddering right down here, along all the way down to the bottom of 4. And clearly here, trend reversal is possible. So what do we need to see? What is the first indication of a trend reversal? You have to see an impulsive wave. This is what I will be looking for. Look at the MACD, crossing bullish, confirming the trend. Reversal probability, check. Very nice. Now let's take a big picture outlook on this, and no, I am of sane mind. All I'm doing is counting the waves and looking out for the chart pattern. Just drawing some lines. Just drawing some lines. So we have A, B, C, D, E, corrected, touched. I'm sorry, one count. A, B, C, D, E. So an uptrend, so you don't count the first one, you count the subsequent one. A, B, C, D, E. Like so. So we will expect to see new or higher all-time highs. Could we exceed this? Possible. Could jump out. But for now, let's keep it there. So this is a longer term count. Maybe by the end of the year. But basically what I'm trying to do is have it follow the timeline I have. I'm sorry. For the Bitcoin. Wave 505. So here is the Bitcoin Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, 4. We sub-counted wave 5 into 1, 2, 3. I counted the top of the 3 correct. We are in ABC. Whether ABC is in or not, I have not yet called it. But this wave 5. I'm projecting that this wave 5 will be done sometime in Q1, Q2 of 2018 with a target of 9K. And I'm trying to match everything to this time zone. So Q1 or so. So these subways will make up the 1 at a minor degree, 2, 3, 4, 5. This could be here, could be here, could be there. I have not a clue. All I'm trying to do is see if I can coordinate and correlate it with BTC, Bitcoin. So somebody asked in the comments, is now a good time to buy? What do you think? The fact that this spiked down, pierced and came right back in is not bearish, it's bullish. This is called a bullish pierce of the support line. If you don't want a ladder, go ahead, make one single entry and hold, and you should be okay, most likely. But if you want a ladder, go ahead and ladder in. Remember, 2 rungs, R-U-N-G. If you have a ladder with only two levels, 2 entry points, that's better than having 1. Okay, so I hope this is helpful.